real cases before a real judge.
Plaintiff Donna Ellis Aldridge has known the defendant for 35 years, and they've been through everything together, including a 3 to 4 year stint with crack. Donna's suing her former friend because she refused to sign over a car title to her. Defendant Alverna Mayfield says Donna is a functional crackhead who is still using drugs to this day. Alverna admits that she experimented with drugs, but says they are older now, and it's time for Donna to grow up. She's countersuing for car insurance and traffic tickets.
Start with you.
Okay, I don't even understand why we're here today and how it got to this point. But I've known Michelle for over 35 years, and I've always been there for her. I have never, ever done anything to hurt her. I've always wanted to help her. She has made bad decisions in her life, and she's one of those people that is always somebody else's fault. She's probably gonna bring up the fact that we experimented with crack cocaine in earlier years, okay? But yes, I'm no angel, and I've made bad decisions, but so is she.
How long were you all crackheads?
for maybe 3 or 4 years.
That's a long experiment.
That's not true.
Yeah. So that's a long experiment, huh?
Yes,
That's not a true one.
Yes, we partied.
Obviously, you determined that you
partied.
liked it during your experiment.
We partied, sir.
All right, go ahead.
Your Honor. She started off being an outside woman for a gay relationship. She was involved with a guy that literally
what does that
bit
have to
off
do
one
with
of
her bad?
ears.
What,
The
how is
fact
that
that
a
she
bad?
make
Don't
bad
talk when I
relations.
talk. Are you high today? When I talk, you just keep talking and then you raise your voice. Let me go to you.
First, Your Honor, I would like to say my friend Donna is a functional crackhead. She is still using drugs to this day.
She's not functional at all today. So you got that part wrong. Go ahead. That's why I had to come to you. She's dysfunctional today.
I have heard her on the say on the phone and to me that she's gonna go make her some money for some crack. She's gonna go have sex for
When was the last
crack.
time she told you that?
We stopped speaking basically in September. I heard her say this in the early part of September of 2010.
What'd you tell her?
I told her that this is not, I mean, we're older women now. We experimented when we were young. It's time to grow up now. It's time to be serious.
All right.
Your Honor, I have here a letter from my daughter.
See it, please.
Stating what was in the car.
Which car? The one that she's suing
Yes.
you for? Upon receipt of the vehicle, I noticed 6 or 7 empty Corona bottles rolling around. There was also a stick of marijuana and a crack pipe. This was signed April of 2012, and she says that this occurred, she saw this December of 2011. Naisha, who is Naisha again?
My daughter.
Your daughter. You want to address what Naisha said? She said she found a crack pipe in the car.
I have no idea what they're talking about.
All right.
Because I have requested my title to my car from her on several occasions.
Defendant Alverna Mayfield was friends with the plaintiff, but she claims the plaintiff is a functional crackhead who is still using drugs to this day.
Give me some background on the car.
My husband passed away here in Chicago. I moved back to Philadelphia, and she was finally there for me for a change, I thought. My furniture was shipped to her house, and when I got there, it was no room for me in her house. I purchased a car, cash money, and I couldn't get it registered in the state of Pennsylvania without a Pennsylvania license. So we decided to register the car in her name, and the agreement was, when I got my license, we would sign the title over, done deal. That never happened. She refused to give me my title.
Why? What did she tell you?
I can't find it. It didn't come. I called the state. They said it was delivered.
Okay. Ma'am, what do you want to tell me about this?
Your
car?
Honor, I did have the title, and I have the title right here.
All right, you have the title. Okay, very good. And why aren't you turning it over to her?
Because, Your Honor, she has so many tickets in my name. I drive for a living. I'm a bus driver. This is how I pay my bills and take care of my children. My license is going to be in danger. when I asked her to pay the tickets, I even had a certified letter sent to her. The letter came back to me.
This is your counterclaim, I guess, and your defense.
Yes.
Let's see that. What is this you're giving me?
That is a letter that I sent her along with the tickets.
What is
These
her
are
response?
the tickets.
Let me see the tickets, please. What was her response?
I didn't get a response for her. It came back to me in the mail a month later.
You want to tell me about the tickets, ma'am?
I paid some tickets, but
Paid all of them?
no, I did not.
All right. How much
because
have you
I
failed
asked-
to pay?
It's $440-something.
All right, that's what she's suing you for. $446 to be precise. What is your other defense?
The car insurance that she failed to
And
pay.
was that the agreement that she would pay
Yes,
all
that
of the
she-
car insurance?
the
Because
agreement-
she was driving it in your name.
Exactly.
Gotcha.
Can I speak, Your Honor? I've asked her on several occasions that the tickets would be paid for if we could sit down and talk, transfer my title, and I pay for the remaining tickets. But why would I keep playing tickets and you're not giving me my title? And this is where I pay for the tickets. And this
No,
is
we
where
know. We've acknowledged how much you owe, the
I
balance.
understand. But in reference to the insurance, I had my
see
own
that.
insurance.
Okay.
And she was aware that I had my own insurance.
Okay,
And
and
if
that
she
was the
continued,
That was the agreement, right?
if I had my own insurance, she was supposed to take me off. That was the agreement. You take me off, I get my own insurance.
Okay, it was effective from January 11 through 7/11.
Yes.
And so you paid that amount?
Yes.
How much per month?
$95.
All right, ma'am. She has evidence that she paid for 7 months.
And
So-
it's the breakdown for the cash that I paid her for my portion for 3 months. I have that here.
Let's see. For an additional 3 months.
The 3 months that I was covered under her insurance.
Gotcha. Ma'am?
Your Honor, I have a breakdown of all the insurance that I paid, and
I'm not
my
aware.
bank statements when it came out of my account is every month to the day.
Not aware.
You have your bank statements?
Yes, sir.
How much was the insurance per month?
Her insurance was $109 and some change, $109 and some change
I paid
per month.
$166
So-
per month.
Hold on. And she failed to pay September, October, and what other months?
December of 2010, January of 2011,
What else?
February, March 2011, May 2011, June 2011, August 2011.
I was covered under my own.
September 2011, October 2011, November 2011, December 2011, February 2012,
Oh, God.
and March of 2012.
Okay. And yours was effective from January of 11 through July. So why didn't you let her know that?
She was aware.
You
I
were
told
aware
her
that
I
she
was
paid?
not
Last
aware, Your
payment.
Honor.
the last cash payment I paid her, I told her I can't afford this insurance that you're on. I can get my own.
Your Honor, I was not aware of that.
Defendant Alverna Mayfield was friends with the plaintiff, but she claims the plaintiff is a functional crackhead who is still using drugs to this day.
Do you want the value of the car or do you want the car?
I would like the value of
Okay,
the
do
car.
you have evidence of the value?
Yes, I have my Blue Book value.
And that is $5,900. So the maximum we can give you is $5,000. I'm going to require you to pay the outstanding tickets, which amount to $446 with regard to the insurance, $654. So it's $5,000 minus $446, $654 is how much?
$3,900.
All right, ma'am, you're left with $3,900. That's the judgment today. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You are a crackhead.
I don't care if I don't
Donna,
ever see your mug again.
It
your
doesn't
ugly
matter.
Face.
What you need to do is go get some help, sweetheart, and I still love you.
I
Guess
love
what?
you too.
There you go.
I love
but
you
get
too.
some help,
And
crackhead.
may God
Get
love you real good.
Yes, he will love you
I
real
hope so.
good, and I hope he
I
loves
hope
you real
so.
good.
I hope
go ahead,
so.
crackhead.
Bye.
Crackhead,
Bye.
crackhead,
You don't have to look at me.
crackhead, crackhead.
You look
Get some
stupid.
help, crackhead.